Okay, so hello po guys. Welcome back to my channel and meron na naman akong bagong video tutorial. At ang ating magiging topic for today is about binary arithmetics. So tuturuan ko po kayo mag-add, subtract, multiply, and divide ng binary numbers. So bago po tayo matuto sa ating bagong lesson, make sure na nakapag-subscribe na kayo sa channel and hit the notification bell para sa mas marami pang updates and tutorials ng binary arithmetics and other things regarding information technology. So, simulan po natin sa pinaka-basics. So, first things first, mag-basic muna tayo na binary additions. Let's say, ang gawin po natin is 0 plus 0. Siyempre, ang sagot mo dyan ay 0. Kapag naman po 0 plus 1, or it can be 0 plus 1 plus 0, ang lalabas lang po dyan ay 1. Ngayon naman po, kapag naman po gagamit po tayo ng 1 plus 1, gagamit po tayo ng carry. Kaya ang mangyayari po dito is 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1, bring down 1. Kaya ang mangyayari pong sagot is 1, 0 sa 1 plus 1. O ngayon, subukan natin ngayong mag-binary additions or addition of binary sa given na ito. Let's say it's 1, 1, 0 plus 0, 1. Gagawin lang natin. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Bring down 1 to the base 2. Ganyan po siya kasimple. Now, how about naman kung 1, 1, 1, 1 tapos ay 1, 1, 1. Paano naman po natin to kukunin? Una, 1 plus 1 is 0, which is you will be carrying it sa taas, carry 1. Tapos po nito, 1 plus 1 is 0, you will carry it 1. No? Tapos yung 0 plus 1, you will be bringing down 1. Then yung 1 plus 1, 0 ulit, lalagay mo yung 1 sa taas. Then 0 plus 1, magiging 1. Again, same process. 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1, bring down mo yung 1. Add ka ng radix na 2, at ito na po yung sagot niya. Another example. Let's say, ang gawin po natin is 1, 0, 1, 1, plus po natin siya sa 1, 1, 1, 1. So, ano kaya ang sagot nito? Again, simulan natin dito sa part na to. 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. Then, 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. Then, 0 plus 1 is 1. Next po, we have 1 plus 0 is 1. Then, 1 plus 1, magigitong 0, carry 1. Then, yung 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. 0 plus 1 is 1, bring down 1. Lagyan lang po ng radix at yan na po yung sagot. Ngayon, paano po natin malalaman kung tama ba yung mga ginawa po natin example? Ganito po gagawin natin. Subukan nating hatiin yung given at yung sagot. No? So ngayon, ang gagawin ko para malaman natin yung sagot, i-convert natin to sa decimals. Magagawa natin yon by representing 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 numbers sa bawat binary numbers. So paano ba siya? Sisimulan mo sa pinaka first digit which is 1, tapos itong sunod ay 2, dodoblehin mo lang yung 2 which is 4, doble yung 4 which is 8, doblehin mo yung 8 which is 16. Pag ang given mo ay may 0, hindi mo siya isasama sa add. So tignan natin. Ang mangyayari, cancel out itong dalawa. 16 plus 8 is 24. Plus 4 is 28. Sorry, wala palang 0. Kaya ulit, 16 plus 8 is 24 plus 2 is 26. So, ang magiging sagot dito dapat is 26. So, try naman natin po dito sa dalawa. Dito sa isa, we have 1 plus 2. Kasi ito po ay parehas may 1. 1 plus 2, magiging 3. Plus 8, magiging siyang 11. Now, 1 plus 1, siya magiging 1 plus 2, siya magiging 3. 3 plus 1 magiging 3 plus 8 kasi itong 1 na to ay again, ito yung magiging, ito ay 1, 2, 4, 8. So pag pinagsama-sama itong 8, 4, 2, 1, magiging siyang 15. Therefore, 11 plus 15 will result 26. Okay, another example. Let's say 1, 1, 1, 1, 0 added to 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Ang gawin po natin, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1. Next, we have here the 1 plus 1 scenario, which is a carry, 0 added 1 here. Then 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1, 0 plus 0, 0. Next, we have 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1 natin, 0 plus 1, 1, then bring down 1. Add a radix 2, and tapos na po yan. Now, let's have a checking. Guguhitan mo lang siya para mas madali mong makita. Okay, assign numbers tayo. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So, checkin natin. So, wala tong dalawa, wala tong dalawa. So, 32 plus 16 is 48, plus 2 is 50, plus 1 is 51. So, dapat itong dalawang to magsasum up sa 51. Let's check. So, we have here 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Dahil wala to, cancel to. 16 plus 8 is 24, plus 4 is 28, plus 2 is 30. So, lalabas dito is 30. Ito naman. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Cancel mo yung dalawang 0, wala na tong 2 at saka 8. 16 plus 4 is 20, plus 1 is 21. Kaya ang lalabas po ay 51. Another example. Let's say we have here 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. At saka we have here 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. 6 digits at 3, parang 3 floors na siya o 3 given. Addition tayo. Let's take this slowly. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. Next, we have 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. Then 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Next, we have here 1 plus 0 is 1. So yan 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. Now, we have here 4 ones. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. Now, we have 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1, add 1. So, lagyan natin ng 2. And, yan na po yung sagot natin, which is 100111100. So, let's check. Ang gawin lang natin, mag-assign tayo ng numbers dito. Let's say this is, dito ay 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. Double mo yung 64 is 1, 2, 8. Cancel this out. Cancel. Cancel. Then this one is cancel also. So 128 plus 16, the answer is 154. Tama ba? 128 plus 16. Let's check. Let's check, no? So we have here 128 plus 16. We have 144 pala, 144. Then, plus mo yung 8, plus mo yung 4. Ang lalabas po ay 156. So, ito pala is 156. So, we need to calculate this 3. Kung ang lalabas ba sa kanila is 156. So, let's check this one. So, 1 plus 2, siya ay 3. Kasi ito yung 2 eh. Kasi magiging 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Cancel this out. 32 plus 8, 40 plus 4, plus 4, 44 plus 2, 46, plus 1, it's 47. Now, let's check naman po dito sa part na ito. So, siya ay cancel out ang 1, cancel out ang 2, cancel out ang 4. So, it's 32 plus 16 plus 8. 32 plus 16 is 48 plus 8 is 56. Tama? Ulit, 32 plus 16 is 48 plus 8 is 56. Tama. Now, dito naman tayo. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Cancel this out. 32 plus 16 is 48 plus 4 is 52 plus 1 is 53. Let's check. We have here 47 plus 56 plus 53. A whooping answer of 156. Magulo siya, pero madali lang siyang kunin. Okay, last example. Let's say we have here 11011 0101 10101. This is addition again. 1 plus 1 is 0. Carry 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 carry 1. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. Now we have here 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 carry 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 carry 1. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 1 is 0 carry 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. Bring down 1. Lagyan natin ng 2 at yun na yung sagot. Now, let's try to check. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Cancel this out. 32 plus 16 is 48. Plus 4 is 52. Plus 1 is 53. So, let's check this po. We have here, again, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Cancel out natin yung 4. So, magkikita 16 plus 8 is 24. Plus 2 is 26. Plus 1 is 27. In here, meron lang tayong 1 at 4. So, 1 plus 4 is 5. Dito naman, walang 8 at 2. Kaya magiging 16 plus 4 is 20. Plus 1 is 21. Now, let's have checking. 27 plus 5 plus 21. The answer is 53. So, I hope na gets nyo po ang binary arithmetic in terms of addition. So, if you have some questions, kindly put it in our comment section sa video na to. And if nagustuhan nyo to, kindly like it and subscribe din po sa aking channel. Thank you very much and see you soon.